have a lot of our industrial products. We have our standard shaft mount gearbox for aggregate and grain industry. With that, what's new with this product is we've got shaft guards. OSHA and MSHA, they want protection for people and they want shaft guards. So we came out with a shaft guard that runs all the way up the length of the shaft to the bearing. And we got a shaft cover on the backside as well. As you can see, it's safety yellow. So it just tells people to stay clear, okay? We got an incandescent breather at the top. This guy, as the gearbox warms up and runs, it gets hot, okay? And pressure builds within the gearbox. And it needs to release some of that, so they release it into this breather. What we're trying to do also is keep moisture out of the gearbox. So this breather will turn pink over time, and it'll tell you it's time to replace the breather. You just screw it off, put on a new breather, you're good to go. So our sensor over here, which detects vibration and temperature, it sends an advertising package out every 15 minutes to an hour. You can set the time, and it's sensing temperature and vibration. It'll send it to the in-house gateway. That in-house gateway will then communicate a signal to the Allen Bradley controller, and it'll go right to their PLC and tell them exactly what they're seeing on a bearing, on a gearbox, on multiple sensors across somebody's factory floor. We have a lot of great products out here, and this sensor we're updating it all the time. New information, making the battery last longer, Bluetooth, everything. Brian Fields, I'm a senior territory manager for Dodge Industrial.